In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the look of OneNote so you can switch between dark mode, colorful mode, white mode, or even match your system settings. This is a quick but super useful customization, especially if you spend a lot of time taking notes and want a setup that feels easier on your eyes and more comfortable to use. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open OneNote on your computer. Now, depending on which version you're using, the steps may look slightly different, but don't worry, I'll walk you through both. If you're using the regular desktop version of OneNote, click File in the top left corner. If you're using the Windows 10 app version, click the three dots in the top right corner instead. From there, select Options. Once the Options window opens, make sure you stay on the default General tab category. This is where OneNote keeps the appearance settings we need. Now scroll down until you find the section called Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This is the part that controls the overall look and feel of the app. In this section, look for the drop-down menu next to Office Theme. Click that menu and you'll see several different options. If you want a sleek, modern look, choose black or dark grey. This changes your entire canvas, toolbars and menus into a darker interface, which can be a lot more comfortable in low light. If you prefer a brighter, but still colourful look, choose Colourful. This keeps the top ribbon navigation bar in the OneNote purple style, while your page itself stays white and clean. It's a good middle ground if you want a little personality, without going fully dark. If you want the brightest possible appearance, choose white. This gives you a crisp, ultra-bright layout that feels very clean and minimal. And if you don't want to manually manage the theme at all, select Use System Setting. This will automatically match whatever mode your Windows or Mac operating system is currently using, so your OneNote appearance stays in sync with your device. After you choose the theme you want, just close the Options window. Your changes should apply right away, and you'll instantly see the new look across OneNote. If you ever want to switch it again, just come back to the same menu and pick a different option. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change the look of OneNote in just a few clicks. Whether you want dark mode for comfort, colorful mode for a bit of style, or a clean white layout, OneNote makes it easy to customize the experience. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick software tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.